Hi guys, if you're wondering whether the Redmi 15C supports OTG, that is whether you can connect a USB drive or a pen drive using an OTG device to your Redmi 15C, I'll be answering that in this video. Now if you open up the settings of the Redmi 15C and then from the search input at the top over here, proceed to search for OTG, you're going to find out that we do not have any OTG option on the Redmi 15C. And also, if you go over to the additional settings of this device, which is by default where you're supposed to find any OTG option on the Redmi 15C, you're going to see that we also do not have the OTG option on the Redmi 15C. But keep in mind that if you actually have a USB flash drive with an OTG adapter like this one, this is actually a Type-C to a USB input, and then you connect it to your Redmi 15C. In some cases, depending on your region, you should be able to still use a USB OTG device on your Redmi 15C. So I can go ahead and open up my USB OTG device from over here and it actually works. You can literally see it from over here. So I hope this answers your question, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.